You want to know if the recall fix for your Genesis G70 actually stops the fire risk. The answer is no. The recall prevents the fire, but it doesn't fix the part that's failing. Here's what's happening. Your anti-lock brake system has a control unit, called the HECU, that has power running to it even when the car is off. It's the brain for your ABS and traction control. Over time, seals inside this unit can fail, letting corrosive brake fluid or moisture from the road leak onto its internal circuit board. Because that circuit is always live, this contamination creates an electrical bridge, causing a short. That short slowly builds heat, eventually melting the plastic housing and starting a fire, sometimes hours or even days after you've parked. The HECU is a complex sealed part, so repairing it isn't simple or cheap. That's why the official remedy isn't a replacement. Instead, the recall service is a simple fuse swap. A technician installs a new fuse kit in the main junction box, with a lower amperage rating. Think of it this way. The original, stronger fuse could handle the current from a short for long enough to let dangerous heat build up. The new, weaker fuse is designed to blow instantly the moment a short happens. It acts as a safety switch, cutting all power to the brake module and stopping the problem before any heat can start a fire. This is why it's a preventative measure, not a root cause fix. So, what happens if that new fuse does its job and blows? You'll get ABS and traction. Control warning lights on your dashboard. Those safety systems will be turned off. Your regular brakes will still work fine. To stop the car, but you won't have the anti-lock function in a panic stop until that HECU is properly replaced. Here's what you need to do. First, find your VIN and check it against the NHTSA database online for recall number 21V-016. If the recall service hasn't been done, the manufacturer's advice is clear. Park your car outside and away from structures or other vehicles until it's fixed. Leaving the old, higher-rated fuse in place means you're not protected from the known fire risk.